Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Snapchat and confirming you are signed in. This step ensures Snapchat recognizes your device. Next, go straight to Settings, choose two-factor authentication, then backup codes. You are now at the generation point. Once done, tap Generate or View Code and copy it immediately. Make sure to save it in a secure note app or write it down. You are not done until the code is stored offline, because losing it defeats the purpose of backup access. Now that you have the code, decide whether to store it digitally or physically. This choice balances convenience and security. If storing digitally, paste into a reputable password manager or encrypted note. This prevents accidental exposure. If you prefer paper, print or write the code and lock it away. Avoid photos on cloud sync services. Once done, label the item with Snapchat backup code and the generation date so you know when to refresh it. To complete recovery, enter the backup code at the Snapchat two-factor prompt. This bypasses SMS or authenticator apps. If the code fails, double-check for character mistakes and confirm you are on the correct Snapchat account because codes are account-specific. If that still fails, go back into Settings on a logged-in device and generate new backup codes or use account recovery flows. Troubleshooting tip: if every code is invalid, contact Snapchat support and have proof of account ownership ready to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.